Hello dear friends, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Luxcape. Hello Kutagari! So today we are going to a special place which is very beautiful. Yes, today we are going to KHOR Kalba Mangrove Center, which is located on the serene east coast of Sharjah. It is a unique environmental sanctuary that serves as a critical breeding ground and habitat for diverse wildlife, including the endangered green turtle and the endemic Arabian collared kingfisher pullet. Once you enter the KHOR Kalba Mangrove Center, you can park your cars as there is parking facility available, and you can grab your tickets to enter the center. There is buggy facilities which drops and picks you from the entrance of the center. We delve into how the layout encourages flow. The circular paths create intimate gallery spaces, while carefully placed panoramic windows frame specific vistas of the mangroves and the Hajar Mountains, effectively turning the landscape into living art. Every curve and angle seems intentional, guiding our focus outwards toward the natural spectacle just beyond the glass. This center sets a benchmark for eco-friendly public architecture in the region. Once inside, the center's interior design takes over the role of storyteller. The journey is intuitive, starting with the general history of the region's mangroves and funneling down into the specifics of biodiversity and conservation challenges. The educational exhibits are state-of-the-art. Multimedia displays explain complex ecological concepts such as blue carbon sequestration, the mangrove's powerful ability to absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide, and the intricate salt filtration systems of the Avicennia marina species in engaging, accessible ways. is its beautifully curated aquarium display. Here, the hidden world beneath the murky waters of the KHOR is revealed. We see the vibrant community of juvenile fish, crabs, and sea slugs that rely entirely on the protective tangle of the mangrove roots for survival. This feature makes the unseen visible. Beyond the marine life, the center also houses a small, delicate aviary offering close encounters with some of the smaller resident bird species in a controlled, safe environment. Adjacent is a tranquil tortoise pond, a gentle reminder of the diverse terrestrial life found nearby in the mountain conservation areas. These internal features serve as living classrooms, making the science of the ecosystem tangible and immediate for visitors of all ages. brilliance of the Kalba Mangrove Center lies not just in its aesthetics but in its thoughtful design philosophy. The architects prioritized sustainability and local context, ensuring the building treats lightly on land it occupies. The orientation of the center is strategically planned to manage the intense desert sun. The use of natural materials, primarily sourced locally, gives the interior a warm, organic feel that immediately connects the visitor to the outdoors. Ventilation is a key feature. Passive cooling techniques are incorporated to naturally regulate internal temperatures, minimizing the reliance on energy intensive air conditioning. It is quite literally a building that breathes with the reserve around it. true genius of the center is how seamlessly it transitions the visitor from the interpreted indoor experience back into the natural environment. The flow leads directly to a meticulously constructed 2-kilometer long elevated wooden boardwalk. This structure is a feat of engineering itself, designed to allow thousands of visitors to walk deep within the ancient forest without disturbing the sensitive mudflats below. From the observation tower, accessible via the boardwalk system, one gets a panoramic view of the entire conservation area. The mountains, the lagoon, and the sea merging in a spectacular vista. This vintage point provides context that the interior displays only hinted at. Ultimately, the Kalba Mangrove Center is more than an attraction. It is a catalyst for awareness and a hub for scientific action. It's the beating heart of the reserve, a place where critical research is conducted. Sea turtles are rehabilitated in special rescue programs, and the public can forge a personal connection with nature. As the sun sets over the KHOR Mountains, casting long shadows over the urchin pots, the center stands as a testament to Shahjahan's vision that by understanding our natural world, we ensure its protection for the generations to come. It is a beautifully designed, functional portal to an ancient, vital world. As our journey through the lush waterways and serene trails of Kalba Mangrove comes to an end, we are reminded of the quiet power of nature, how every root, leaf, and ripple tells a story of life thriving against all odds. Kalba is not just a sanctuary for mangroves and wildlife, but a refuge for our own peace and reflection. Whether it's the gentle sway of the trees, the calls of the exotic birds, or the calm waters reflecting the sky, this place leaves an imprint on the soul. Thank you for exploring Kalba Mangrove with us. And yes, It's the perfect time to spend time with your family and friends. And this is the special time, the perfect time to spend time in the evening. Yes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. And always join for our wonders of nature. Bye bye.